The moment you swallow, your body starts a 6-hour journey from your mouth to every single cell. Let me show you exactly what happens inside. Mastication, chewing. Your teeth break food into smaller pieces. Salivary amylase starts carbohydrate digestion right here in the mouth. The bolus forms, tongue pushes it back. Swallowing reflex triggers. Epiglottis closes the trachea. Food enters the esophagus, not the windpipe. Peristalsis, rhythmic contraction. Smooth muscle pushes the bolus down. Lower esophageal sphincter opens. Food enters the stomach. Now the real chemistry begins. Gastric pits, parietal cells, they pump out HCl. pH drops to 1.5 to 2. Chief cells release pepsinogen. HCl converts pepsinogen to pepsin. Pepsin breaks proteins into peptides. Gastric motility. 3 muscle layers, longitudinal, circular, oblique. Churning, mixing. The bolus becomes chyme, a semi-liquid paste. Gastrin, the hormone that drives it all. G cells in the antrum. Gastrin means more HCl, more motility. Pyloric sphincter opens. Chyme enters the duodenum. This is where digestion gets serious. CCK, cholecystokinin. Duodenal eye cells release it. Fats and proteins trigger it. CCK does two things. 1. Contracts the gallbladder, bile released. Bile emulsifies fats, micelle formation. 2. Stimulates pancreatic enzyme secretion. Secretin. S cells release it. Acid in the duodenum triggers it. Secretin tells the pancreas to release bicarbonate. Neutralizes the acid. pH rises to around 7. Now the pancreatic enzymes. Trypsinogen becomes trypsin by enterokinase. Trypsin activates more trypsinogen. Positive feedback. Chymotrypsinogen becomes chymotrypsin, breaks proteins. Pancreatic lipase breaks triglycerides into fatty acids and monoglycerides. Pancreatic amylase continues starch digestion. Colipase anchors lipase to lipid droplets. Now absorption. The small intestine 6 meters long, surface area of a tennis court. Why? Villi, microvilli, brush border. Jejunum absorbs most nutrients. Glucose and galactose, SGLT1, sodium dependent. Fructose, BLUT5, facilitated diffusion. Amino acids, sodium dependent co-transporters. Dipeptides and tripeptides, PepT1, H plus dependent. Ileum, the backup. Vitamin B12 absorption requires intrinsic factor from parietal cells. Bile acid reabsorption, enterohepatic circulation. 95% of bile acids recycled. Iron, absorbed in the duodenum, DMT1 transporter. Calcium, duodenum and jejunum, vitamin D dependent. Whatever is not absorbed reaches the colon. Water absorption, electrolyte absorption. Gut microbiome, fermentation of fiber. Short chain fatty acids produced. Vitamin K and B vitamins synthesized by bacteria. Rectum stores feces. Internal anal sphincter, involuntary. External anal sphincter, voluntary. Defecation reflex. So this is an easy way to memorize the entire digestive physiology. Mouth to anus. Mechanical digestion to chemical digestion to absorption to elimination. Every enzyme, every hormone, every transporter. Now you know where it fits. For NEET PG USMLE INICET, draw this pathway 3 times. Once from memory, you will never forget it.